the sambal is taking shape. So I just put in the prawn. Now one reason why I choose to deep fry the prawn first is
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a simple sambal prawn, but probably a way that many of you will not see before. But it's going to taste really good. Now I have some 500 grams of sea prawns here. Yeah, 500 grams. I have cut away the pointy part and also remove most of the legs. It's not very big. The prawn I use today is probably like I would say 1 kg, about 48 pieces. So it's considered small medium, I would say, or slightly below medium size. Why? Because I want to eat the shell. Yeah, I'm the type who likes to eat prawn shell. Who else is like Appa? Leave your comment below. Now after that, we are going to make I'm going to deep fry the prawn first. After which I'm going to make the sambal. And the sambal is not difficult at all, but it's going to be very fragrant. We have only 3 very simple ingredients here. I have approximately 6 to 7 pieces of big red chili. Now for those who like it more spicier, of course you can add in some chili padi as well. So and then I'll be putting in some few cloves of garlic and also shallot. Just now my blender seems to have some problems, so I changed to another blender here. Alright, so here's our chili paste, and I never even add any water here because I'm using the fresh chili. Fresh chili itself contains water. Right, next thing, prepare some hot oil here. I'm going to heat up the oil until the oil started to smoke, which is about 180 degrees Celsius and above. Right, once you start seeing some smoke coming up, you can put in the prawn, but be very careful, it's going to splatter. Just run away quickly after you put it in. And use medium-high heat or high heat to fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Around 2 minutes should be fine. 2 minutes it should be about at least 80 to 90% cooked. Alright, this is after approximately 2 minutes, about 90%, 80 to 90% cooked. I'm going to take it out and set it aside. So here's the prawn. We're going to set it aside for a while, and now let's make the sambal. Right, I have put some, this is the oil I used to fry the prawn just now, so it's almost like a prawn oil. And we are going to add in the sambal we did just now. Oh, I removed the water first, so it's easier and faster to fry the sambal. So we are going to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes, or 3 to 5, until it is very, very fragrant. But you need to keep on sauteing. And notice I actually changed to a non-stick wok right now, so that the chili paste doesn't get chao da too easily. So if you are not so confident, don't use too high heat. What you can see from here is that actually the liquid coming out from the chili started to evaporate. And I'm going to add in some seasoning right now. Some salt. Some light soy sauce. Some premium fish sauce. You can put in some sambal belacan, some belacan if you like. Today I'm not putting in any belacan, but I will add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Alright, you can get it, for those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. You do need to keep on stir it so that it doesn't get get burnt. Yeah, sambal can get burnt very easily. We're going to add in some sugar as well to balance the flavor. So after the seasoning, let's just keep on sauteing this for the next 3 to 5 minutes before I add in the prawn. Don't use too high. Now along the way, should you find the chili paste a bit too dry, feel free to add in a little bit more oil. It is okay for this particular dish to be a little bit more oily. Your prawn will not taste very oily, don't worry about it. See, all the colors start to change darker and darker, beautiful. Now to be honest, I prefer my chili paste to be more flaky than this. Just simply because my usual blender is spoiled, something wrong, so I have to use a very high voltage blender just now. That high voltage blender within seconds already blended pretty fine. This is not really what I wanted, but it's okay, still can be used, no problem. I do prefer to be more flaky though, yeah. So this is basically telling us if you want your blend to blend something which is a little bit more flaky, you may not want to use a blender which is of very high voltage. This is about 3 to 4 minutes right now. Wow, you can see it started to take shape already, the sambal. See? Right, this is approximately 4 minutes plus. The sambal is taking shape. So I just put in the prawn. Now one reason why I choose to deep fry the prawn first is, or you can choose to blanch the prawn first, so that the prawn will actually release water. So that is what I want. I don't want. So therefore I actually add in one more steps. So you can see from here, even though after I add in the prawn, it still looks really good, very dry. It doesn't become a lot of liquid inside, yeah? Then only this dish will really look superb. So you either deep fry or you blanch your prawn first before using. Don't cook it for too long. The first step, probably not more than 2 minutes, especially for this size. Even bigger size, I would say not more than 3 minutes. Right? It's basically done. Look at how beautiful it is. Right, so here's my very simple sambal prawn today from Cooking Apa. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.